Recently I did a video installing my tank into the back of my van, ready for my window cleaning and exterior cleaning business. Now I put this video out on YouTube, obviously. I also spread the link out on the socials, Facebook, Instagram and all that sort of jazz, and I was getting some really good positive comments, but there was also the odd knobhead out there who thought they was God's gift to everything and everything they did was right. Now, a couple of people who give some really good opinions out there, I've wrote them down because I'm useless at trying to remember things. I'm getting a little bit old, and that's what happens when you get a little bit old. So we've got Neil Harper and Max Harrison. They gave me some really good positive feedback. There were a couple of Facebook messages, another couple of people on YouTube also gave some positive comments. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use those comments that those people have given me, Neil and Max, and then I'm going to adapt this tank to how they said to do it. So I'm going to be putting the M12 bolts in with the spreader plates, tiger sealing the spreader plates to the underside of the floor, so when I want to remove the tanks, I can. Let's stop crapping, let's get crapping, let's grip it and rip it, and let's start bolting this tank into the floor once again. Come on, there should be enough movement in there to slide out. Yeah. There's the spare wheel off. Right, so let me show you the spreader plates I made. There we go. There's your M12, just welded some nuts onto that bit of flat bottle like that. These are for the front. Nice and thick. Tell me what you think. No, there's some smart ass out there who'll say, oh, that's not good enough, and that's not thick enough. So all I've got to do now is take those bolts out, get that in position, mark it, drill it. Whee! So I removed the bolts. So I've just gone underneath, took my little lump hammer with me, and I thought I'll just see how strong these jack nuts really are. And I'm surprised, to be honest with you. Let me show you. Oh, try not to. That's one out. And that's two out. So if you are thinking about using riv nuts or jack nuts to hold your water tank in the back, it might not be the most sensible thing to do in the world, because they came out pretty easy. Yes. I did have the straps in though, so they might have saved my life from the 500 kilograms worth of water flying towards the back of my head. But then again, they were from Aldi, so probably not. But I wouldn't have been here to live to tell the tale. Let's put it that way. I'd have been splattered all over the road, covered in water. So there we go. You live, well, you learn, don't you? So, like I said, I took it into account what people said, pivoted, different game plan. So we're going to get that marked and drilled. Then I'm going to clean the underside with a wire brush, ready for when I'm going to be using the tiger seal to stick it underneath. So let's carry on. So before all you keyboard warriors start, I know there's a protective coating under there. I've not taken any of that off. All I've done is try to remove as much of the dirt and the grime that's been on there for quite a while. So that's all I've done. I've not removed the protective coating. Okay, delete comment. Thank you, goodbye. Thank you. Got my tiger seal, got my bolts, washers and spring washers. Got my plate, just need to apply the seal, get it on. Not got any copper grease though, and I cannot find it for the life of me. I do not know where the hell I have put it. But I have got some wax oil, so I'm going to spray some wax oil on the bolts just to try and prevent them corroding quicker than what they normally would, and make it easy for when I need to take them out. So that's all I'm going to do now. Seal that, with that, bolt them down with them. Let's do this. So I've just quickly sealed the holes up with a tiger seal. I'll go underneath and I'll show you what it looks like. Absolutely schneided it in it, baby, so I shouldn't get anything behind there, and hopefully when I do want to take it out, it should be out within minutes. That's back done. Just got to do the front. So I've got some wax oil. All I'm going to do now is go and spray all the bolts so they don't rust. Ooh, yes, boy. So there we go, peeps, the tank is in, it is absolutely finished, and I'm hoping that has pleased just about everybody, but I'm sure it won't. I'm sure there'll be some numbnuts out there going, you're still doing that wrong, mate. Oh my god, can't believe you've stuck all them out, and now you're putting them in, and they're not right. Well, I've got something for you, hold on, just have a rummage round in my pocket, it's here. Oh, 2 of them, get them in, you fella. There you go. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm done with this tank. I've finished. I've had enough. That is it. It's in. I'm not doing anything else to this bloody tank. So that's it for now. I'll see you later. Ta-da. See you there. Bye-bye. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop. Do you like my shelf and my racking I've put in? Ooh, Bobby Dazzler. Check that video out.